I'm ordering like a pro.
You just ordered chaos. Let's fix it, Today, you'll order ENY drink with 2 beginner patterns, 我要你 and 请给我们 plus polite words. Pattern 1, 我要 我要 kāfēi. I'd like coffee. Your turn. 我要 kāfēi.
我要咖啡.
Again, smoother.
Good try. Say it clean. 我要
kāfēi. Pattern 2. 请给我黑 qǐng给我黑.
Please give me.
Very polite. 请给我一杯茶 Please give me a cup of tea. 一杯茶 1 cup. You can skip it at first, but it sounds natural. If you want polite, 请给我
Casual. 我要 Pick.
请给我 When you don't know the word, point and say 这个这句好
This one.
Perfect pointing is a language skill. 谢谢 Thank you.
Thank you.
Combine. 请给我谢谢
That's polite and simple.
不要崩 No ice. Very useful. 请给我
咖啡不要冰.
谢谢 Say it with me in 5 seconds.
请起我一杯茶不要崩.
谢谢
I'm basically native.
No. But you ARE improving. Comment your order in Pinyin, 我要 or 请给我 and I'll correct it.